In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an incoming webhook URL on Slack. By the end, you'll have a working webhook that you can use to post messages into a channel from your scripts or external tools. First, let's get to the right place. Open your browser and head to Google. In the search box, type API Slack apps and hit enter. In the results, look for the official Slack API site and open the page that takes you to your apps. That's Slack's developer dashboard where you can create and manage apps for your workspace. Once you're there, click Create New App. When Slack asks how you want to start, choose from scratch. Give your app a clear descriptive name so teammates will recognize what it's for. Next, select the workspace where you want this app to live. If the correct workspace isn't already selected, open the workspace selector. You may see an option to sign into a different workspace. Go ahead and click that if you're not in the right one. In this walkthrough, we'll cancel out of that sign-in flow to return to the original selection screen, then proceed. When your app name and workspace look good, click Create App. You should land on your app's configuration page. In the left sidebar, find Incoming Webhooks and click it. On the Incoming Webhooks page, turn the feature on by toggling the switch. This enables your app to generate webhook URLs that can post messages on behalf of your app. With Incoming Webhooks enabled, scroll to the section labeled Webhook URLs for your workspace. This is where you create the actual URL that you'll use to send messages. Click the option to add a new webhook to your workspace. Slack will open an authorization screen. First, confirm the workspace at the top of the window is the one you want. If you have multiple workspaces, choose the correct one from the drop-down. Next, you'll be asked to pick a channel where the webhook will post. Click the channel selector and choose the conversation or channel you want. You can pick a public channel, a private channel you're a member of, or even a direct message with yourself for testing. Select your target channel, then confirm the selection so it appears as the channel for the webhook. Before you grant access, you may see a link to Manage Permissions. If you want to review what the app can do, click Manage Permissions to take a look. When you're done reviewing, close or cancel that view to return to the authorization screen. Now click Allow to install the webhook to your selected channel. You'll be redirected back to your app's incoming webhooks page with a success message. In the webhook URLs for your workspace section, you'll now see a new entry for the channel you selected, along with the generated webhook URL. Click the URL field to highlight it and copy it to your clipboard. That URL is what you'll use in your code or automation to post messages into Slack. Treat it like a password, store it securely, and don't share it publicly, because anyone with the URL can send messages to that channel. A couple of practical tips as you wrap up. If you ever need the webhook to post to a different channel, come back to this same section and add another webhook for that channel. You can have multiple webhook URLs for different channels under the same app. If you don't see the incoming webhooks option or you're blocked from enabling it, you might need approval from a workspace admin, so reach out to your admin team. And if you want to verify everything is set up correctly, paste the URL into a secure testing tool or your code and send a simple JSON payload with a text field. You should see the message appear in the channel you selected. That's it. You've enabled incoming webhooks, authorized your app, and copied your Slack webhook URL, ready for integration. Thanks for watching, and happy building.